Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want to buy or sell multiple items in one order. Bundles help buyers save on shipping and even increase your sales. It's one of the easiest ways to boost your average order value. So both buyers and sellers can use this feature. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually create a bundle on Vinted, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So if you are using Android or even iOS, it's easier to use the Vinted app. Otherwise, we're gonna go to vinted.com. So open the website, go all the way and use your email address and password so you can actually log into your account and access this dashboard. I'm gonna also go to my profile here, tap on profile, then you will be able to see multiple options, wallet, my orders, donations, and here it goes. Start a new listing streak. You can even start a new listing. Go through the bundle, select the items you want, then send the bundle request. As for sellers, review the bundle request from your inbox, then adjust price if needed, then confirm and wait for payment. So for example, okay, let's go to some similar items. Let's go to this profile. For example, as you see, we have multiple options. Tap on create bundle, select items, then send it through the seller. You can offer like small discount on bundle to encourage bigger orders if you are a seller yourself. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.